Do you know ChatGPT? Yeah, it's an AI that could make literally anything, from writing complete programs in C++ to generating images. Yeah, A to Z. So, we are gonna put ChatGPT to the real test to see if it could make a game in Scratch. Let's get started. So, first, we are gonna start with asking ChatGPT for a few game ideas. And yeah, they all are really bad. And yeah, they are pretty bad. Actually, they are the worst game ideas I've ever had in my mind before. And yeah, anyway, I asked it a few more times and it gave me a better game idea. So let's start making it. So first, I deleted the main sprite and made a new one, of course. So I programmed the entire game, and here's the final result. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.